Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to blur a particular part of your video in Capcut. So for that, you just have to open your Capcut on your PC, and once you open that, you just have to start a new project. As you can see that I've already started a new project over here, and I've already dragged or selected a video that I want to edit. So let's get started with the video. So let's suppose that I want to blur this text part of this particular footage. So in order to put the blurring effect on this particular part, so first of all, you just have to copy this video, or you just have to paste it over here, or you can use the shortcut key. For copy, you can Ctrl+C, or to paste, you can press Ctrl+V. And after that, just go on and press on this effect icon right here, and here in the video effect, just select lens. Here just scroll down a bit and click on blur, and here you can see this blurring effect. You just have to press, drag and drop over the copied footage of the video that you want to put this blurring effect. And after that, you just have to press on this video. Now I'm just gonna put a mask on this particular blurring effect so it look more polished. So I'm gonna select this rectangular mask for this particular video, and I'm just gonna select the size, and I'm just gonna adjust it accordingly. Yeah, it looks fine. And I'm just gonna trim the video where this text is over. And now I will play the video and see whether this has been done correctly or not. So as you can see that the text of this video has been blurred. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.